Hey guys, welcome to our channel Techno Saviour. So if you're following our channel from a long time, then you must have seen few weeks before we had done a giveaway video which was sponsored by Horizon. So as you can see here, this is the link which we had shared with you, and there was many number of participations, and as it is obviously visible over here, there was total around 250 entries, which is a very good number. So in today's video I'm going to announce the winner's name, but let me tell you one thing: the winner has not been chosen by us, but it has been chosen by the Horizon team, and it is completely random. So guys, stay tuned because I'll be sharing the name of the winner by the end of this video. Guys, the market is in a very bad condition. So as you can see here in the coin market cap, it is bleeding as of now. Because of this, our portfolio values has drastically gone down. So guys, if in such market condition, if you are still into crypto, then I'm sure you are a strong crypto believer like I am. Looking at the present situation of the market, I have stopped mining because I could not reach the break-even point. I was actually mining with a loss, but I stopped it because I could not bear any more losses. Next, I will give you the update about the secure node. Well, till now I'm running a secure node because I got a good deal from Discord of Horizon. Well, you can just check it out from here. So you can get into the node service promotions. Well, as of now, I'm running it through Horizon Ninja. So if you have any queries, then you can just check it out from the Discord group. It's a very good platform over here. Next, I would like to share a good news with my Indian community subscribers. So that is the Indian government to present draft bill on crypto regulations in December. So hopefully there is going to be a positive news out of this. So let's just cross our fingers and wait for it. So guys, now the time has come. It's the time of winner winner chicken dinner. I'm not talking about the PUBG but the announcement of the giveaway winner. So the winner is Dinbandhu Kumar. Well, congratulations, Dinbandhu. So, all other participants, please don't get disheartened. Mostly in the coming future, we might be giving even more giveaways. So, do participate. Hopefully, you might also be the winner. So, once again, many, many congratulations, Dinbandhu Kumar. So, you will be contacted by the Horizon team directly, wherein you can claim your swag. So, guys, till the next video, stay tuned to Techno Savior. Thank you. The Indian government is about to, okay.